Starting with the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent, who is creator of you, me, and whole universe, who is one, who is alone, none shares his power and authority. Respectable sir, and all my dear friends, brothers, as well as my sisters, I want to greet you with Assalamu alaikum. Today, I am in front of you. Today's topic, very special topic. As you know that today it is the day of Mother's Day. We have opportunity to talk about mothers. So today is our topic about mothers. First of all, my dear friends, I would like to tell you that what is mother. The meaning of mother is giving life. The meaning of a mother is giving life. Allah Almighty had created us by our father and mother. Our father, he is the door of paradise, and our mother is heaven, paradise. Even paradise lies under the feet of mothers. Now it depends on us how much we want that we should go to paradise. If we ask from anyone, none had seen heaven. But if we want that, if there is a two choice, means heaven and hell, what do you want? He will say that I want to go in heaven. I want to live in paradise. None will say that I want to go in heaven, hell. Our heaven, our paradise is in our home. When we take care of it, it will give us place. We will always be in the paradise. We will never go out from the paradise. Some of us, they are doing? They are doing bad things. Means if they had gotten married, so they will say to mother that keep quiet. Now it is our home. Whatever we want, we can do. Whatever our wives want, they can do. Now it is your work to be calm. My dear friends, if today we have no respect for heaven, how heaven will give us respect? Our mothers are those personalities. Allah Almighty Himself, He said that I love every person more than 70 mothers. Why Allah Almighty had not said for brother? Why Allah Almighty had not said for sisters? Why Allah Almighty had not said for another relation? Only for mother He said. What is that? That is a respect of mother. Allah Almighty Himself, He is giving respect to the mother. And He also He had sent in the Holy Quran that always respect your parents. Allah Almighty, somewhere Allah Almighty had mentioned, means it is a holy book. There is mentioned that Hajj is not Hajj will be not accepted without the happiness of mother. If mother, she is happy with you, means it is your Hajj. There is written also, if early in the morning, if you saw smiling face of your mother, means you performed Hajj. How much we are lucky. We have our parents, we have our mother, heaven. Whatever we want, we can get. Because the key of success is in our hand. When they will die, then we will realize. Then we will repent on on the days whatever we are passing today. We have to take care of those personalities which are thinking for us. In the end of my speech, I would just say some lines. मान होगी तो वफा कौन करेगा, ममता का हक अदा कौन करेगा। मान होगी तो वफा कौन करेगा, ममता का हक अदा कौन करेगा। ए रब तू हर माँ को सलामत रखना, ए रब तू हर माँ को सलामत रखना, वरना हमारी जिंदगी की दुआ कौन करेगा। सो आई थैंक्स।